edition of First Alert Weather.
Yeah, those earthquakes are really a mystery because they're happening in the same place around Elgin, the Lugoff area, usually now on a daily basis. So pretty crazy. Hopefully we get to the bottom of this and see what's causing all the shaking, hoping things start to calm down as far as the ground goes. Above ground, it was a warm day. Ahead of those storms, we got up to 91 in downtown Greenville, 89 in Clemson and Anderson, 85 in Greenwood, 83 in Asheville. Then the clouds moved in and the showers and storms and cooled us back into the 70s and low 80s. Looking outside, we've got quite a bit in the way of clouds out there, kind of left over from the early activity. So what's going to happen is that's going to really prevent the temperatures from dropping off too much more from where they are right now. Still 75 downtown Greenville, Spartanburg, Lawrence 72, Union 72, Hartwell 73. We've got 60s and low 70s into the mountains right now. This is our 6-hour radar replay, and we saw those showers and storms get going this afternoon across the upstate and the mountains. Triggered some hail across areas of Henderson County, severe weather there. Then they moved to northeast Georgia, and still at this hour, lingering showers around Sandy Cross and Gainesville and towards the Atlanta area right now. Also a shower around Bryson City, but aside from that, things are quiet. I do want to pick out this interesting feature and talk about this. Look at this spin right here near Charleston. The National Hurricane Center says this has about a 10 to 20% chance of developing into something as it parallels the coast here until the weekend. It's going to continue to bring rain across the coastal areas, and some of that moisture could feed into our neck of the woods, fueling some of those afternoon and evening thunderstorms. And it is dry out there. I know it's a holiday weekend. We all want it nice and pretty, but we do need the rain as well. It's dry, and some places have moderate drought around Spartanburg, Greenwood, Anderson, and even into Newberry County. You're looking at moderate drought, even severe drought. So we certainly do need the rain. It's going to dry out overnight into Saturday morning, and then we're going to see, with the heating of the day, more of those storms firing up from the mountains into the upstate, and then it's going to get quiet again as we go into tomorrow night, and then on into Sunday, maybe a better coverage of some of those showers and storms into the evening hours. And as we go through time, this is the 4th of July. We're going to see more of those storms getting going into the afternoon, hopefully quitting by fireworks time. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, really the balance of a good chunk of next week, we're looking at more of a typical summer pattern again, as we're looking at the jet stream staying to our north. That's going to continue the heat across the area. And then there's indications that as we go through the middle to end part of next week, that we're looking at a bigger warm up on the way. So we'll be watching that as our pattern remains quite humid to muggy across the upstate, and for the mountains, humid to muggy for you. So looking at that typical classic summer. And here's Tropical Storm Bonnie moving across Central America. Not a threat to us, becoming a hurricane across areas of the Eastern Pacific. And the July 4th fireworks, we're looking at 80s at 8 p.m. with some of those storms by 10. Partly cloudy skies, so I think we will dry it out for the fireworks as we go through time for the 4th. 69 tonight for the upstate, partly cloudy, mild and muggy. 64 into the mountains. We're looking at upper 80s, lower 90s. Upstate, cooler into the mountains tomorrow afternoon. Typical summer pattern, upper 80s, lower 90s right through the 4th, with on and off showers and storms for the mountains. 80s for you. Best chance of those storms through Monday, a lower chance after that. It's time for your riding forecast, brought to you by Harley-Davidson of Greenville. Ride in the morning if you want to stay dry, because we're looking at the storms into the afternoons. 89 Saturday, 91 on Sunday. Pack the raincoat. And for the mountains, we're looking at mid-80s Saturday and Sunday with scattered storms, and the winds will be light. Happy riding.